Greetings bakers, welcome to Breathe Food and Fun, and today we'll be making pie crust. To begin, sift 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour into a bowl, add in a teaspoon of salt, half a tablespoon of sugar, and whisk it together well, making sure to evenly disperse the ingredients. Now add in 2 sticks of frozen butter. I previously cubed these sticks before freezing them for about an hour or two, and I just tossed them into the flour using my hands. The next step is to transfer your flour and butter mixture to a food processor and pulse the mixture until the butter cubes become smaller and less defined. Once that's done, add in about 5 to 7 tablespoons of ice water to your mixture, only adding a couple tablespoons at a time. I started off with 3 tablespoons and then pulsed the mixture together. Just a note, your ice water must have a couple of ice cubes in it so that it can be as cold as possible. 3 tablespoons of water was not enough, so I ended up adding an additional 2 tablespoons. This ended up being enough because, as you can see, as I continued mixing it, it began to accumulate and clump up in one side of the food processor. And when I pinched it with my fingers, it came together like a normal pie crust. Moving on to the cutting board, I floured it, added my pie crust, and then added some flour on top of that, and clumped it together. You could say I lightly kneaded it. And the verse of the day is Colossians 3 verse 14, which says, "But above all these things, put on love, which is the bond of perfection." Now lay out some plastic wrap, place your pie crust on top, and cover it, trying to eliminate as much air as you can. I even wrapped it around for maximum coverage and minimal air. Once you're done, take your dough and refrigerate it for about an hour or two, or overnight if you wish. This dough tastes great and is a perfect base for any pie. Thanks for watching!